round number 6, and here we are going to start with the raising loop and one front post double crochet into the double crochet from the previous round, one double crochet in between those two, and one more front post double crochet into the second one, 3 loops and one single crochet into the chain, 3 loops again, and we continue the same pattern: front post double crochet, simple double crochet, and front post double crochet. Let me show you how it looks like. We're going to make here the raising loop and front post double crochet into the first double crochet from the previous round, one double crochet in between, in the middle of those two, the simple one, and one more front post double crochet like that here into the second, 3 loops here are gonna be done, 1 2 3, sorry, 2 3, one single crochet into the chain, 3 loops, and again one front post double crochet, simple double crochet in the middle, and front post double crochet, 3 loops and one single crochet into the chain and 3 loops. This way we continue the whole round. Let me show you how we finish. So I finish with the 3 loops and a slip stitch into the first double front post double crochet. Into the top of it we make the slip stitch this way. It looks really beautiful, and this way we have the round continued behind. Let's go to the next round.